No, it's only cars coming the other way. Hang on, brakes. Right, clutch down. Stop level with the orange van. Go up to the orange van, but stop alongside it. Stop the car completely there, mate. Now, what we'll need to do, I assume he's turning round. What we will need to do is see how much room he's got.
Yeah.
He may need us to go forward so he can come back out.
Right.
Let's see what he does. When he's in, just stay where you are. He's missed his turn up there. He may be able to get it back out in front of us.
Yeah.
If not, he'll wave us through. So let's stay where you are. He's got it there. So keep where you are. Keep it going. That makes sense, just give him loads of room with that. He's missed his turn on industrial.